What's going on, guys? It's Justin here for PRI 2023, and we're here with Gary from Aldan American. And how's your show going? There's lots of fun stuff.
It's been fantastic. It's been a great show. It is the first day. It's opening day. So we're really excited for PRI 23.
And you guys bring all sorts of fun stuff to the show. You know, not only do you make some fantastic coilovers, but you guys do all sorts of fun suspension components.
We try to make a lot of direct fit applications. Our original we made hot rod shocks. So it was like shocks that fit on the back of a 32 Ford. And we pretty much did that for a lot of years. We started in 1981. We are an American-made product. We build everything in-house. And we took that and said a few years ago, hey, we need to do some direct fit applications. So we got into like the Chevelles and the Mustangs. That was some of the first kits that we made. We sell a lot of them through Summit. You've been a fantastic vendor for us. And one of the latest kits that we've offered is our 4th generation Camaro and Firebird kit. So it's a totally bolt-on kit, American made, double adjustable. We include all the nuts, the bolts, the hardware, ready to install, no modifications to your car, just bolt it on and go.
That's absolutely fantastic. You know, F-bodies have, that's an American classic.
Oh, very American, very popular. I mean, you talk about what every, red-blooded American wants is a Camaro.
Yes, and you guys made an amazing coilover kit to bolt it right on these cars, because a lot of them are becoming, hot street cars, race cars, performance in mind, and you guys answered the call with some fantastic products. Now, tell us about some of the cool features that come in these shocks.
So it's double adjustable, so you got rebound on the top, compression on the bottom. It is an American-made product, billet aluminum. All of our brackets and hardware are grade 8 hardware. Brackets are laser cut, machined, powder coated, or plated, and just a nice quality part that I want to put on my car. So I kind of feel that that translates into something that the customer wants to install on their car.
That is absolutely fantastic. Now, these are available at summitracing.com, and also the rest of the sweet Aldan American catalog. You guys have something for basically everything. So head over to our website, check it out, pick up some for your F-body or whatever else you drive. Gary, this has been a lot of fun. I thank you for taking the time to show us these, and I can't wait to see you guys come out in the future.
All right. Thank you very much for stopping by. It's been a pleasure.
Yeah, so until next time, guys, I'm Justin with Summit Racing. Thanks again, Gary, and we'll see you guys later.